How to add WhatsApp link on TikTok. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, move into your application WhatsApp. There is no any personal profile link on WhatsApp, so you guys must be talking about the group link. So head over to the group that you want to share. Move into the profile. Scroll down and tap on invite via link. So here you need to copy the link of this group. Tap on copy link. Now go back and head over to your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Head over to edit profile. Here, one thing you need to know that in order to have this website option, you need to have 1000 followers on TikTok. If you don't have 1000 followers, then you won't be able to see this website option. In that case, you can just put the link on your bio. Right now I have website option, so tap on it. Paste the link that you have just copied from WhatsApp. And then tap on save. Now go back and you'll get to see the link of your WhatsApp on bio. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to add WhatsApp link on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.